Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about Windows 12 from time to time. We're still going to talk about it in the future, that's definite, because it will eventually happen, whatever name it'll get, 12 or any other name. One of the things to know is that, everybody thought it was this year. It's not. Could it be next year? Look, anything's possible. As Windows 10 is ending, why not, drive in through the new systems with a Windows 12? Maybe. I personally think 2026. That's my guess. It's not based on anything except gut feeling and the way things are going. But one of the things that we did learn in an interview is that one of the main reasons for the branding of Windows 11 continuing, so that they didn't want to use Windows 12 on 24H2 or on Windows on ARM, is the fact that Windows 10 is still so dominant. And they probably, with the extended, because for the first time, even the consumer will get extended support. That makes a lot of work, and if you have to add a Windows 12 into it, now you're working on a Windows 11, you're working on a Windows 12, you're working on Windows 10, and you got to also work on extensions for the Windows 10. That means you're stretching out the Windows team, to the maximum. Too many people working on too many different things. So that is one of the main reasons they decided Windows 12 was not going to be a thing, and that it should still stay into the branding. Windows 12, if there was to be a branding of Windows 12, I think it's mostly the ARM PCs, the Qualcomm ARM PCs with the Copilot plus PC type machines. Because these, with the recall feature coming and all of that, are much more advanced and will be much more of a real new operating system than Windows 11 24H2. I mean, they've been pounding at us that Windows 11 24H2 was going to be a big new system. There's not that much. Yes, there's a lot of little stuff here and there, but it's not that big of a version when you compare it to, 23H2 or 22H2. It's, they give it a different direction, like it's a big new operating system, but in reality, for most of us, 24H2 will come, you'll look at your desktop and you'll say, I don't see the difference. Add to the fact that there's still more than 60% of people on Windows 10, of course. This is going to be the other reason why I don't think Windows 12 is a thing next year, because I think Windows 10 will probably go below 50% somewhere in early 2025. And it will definitely be below 50 and maybe even close to 40 at the end of the year. It's still a big number for an operating system that has done 10 years, because we will be at more than 10 years of Windows 10. It's just incredible when you think about it. But that will be something that you'll have to, they're going to have extensions and all of that. So, that's why I think, no, they're still not there, and maybe Windows 12 will not be there. But anyways, we'll know next year. Maybe next year some of you will say, oh, that video that you did last year, totally wrong. Who knows? But I think that's what's happening. But we do know that Windows 10 is one of the major causes of why Windows 12 has been put aside for this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.